A very bright and charming morning to my dear students. Today we will start the video session with the things which are related to birthday. I will show you some things or objects. Okay, students? Now look here. Wow, what is this, student? This is a yummy cake. Student, this is a birthday cake. Do you like to eat the cake? I also like to eat cake. Do you cut the cake on your birthday? Okay. Now next is, these are beautiful and colorful candles. Birthday candles. Okay. Wow, what a pretty cap. Student, this is a birthday cap. Do you wear the birthday cap on your birthday? This is a gift. Your parents and your friends gives you many gifts on your birthday. Okay, students? Now, move to next session. In this session, I will show you some animals and their young ones. So look at very carefully. First animal is lioness. Student, the lioness baby is called cub. Okay. Now next is sheep. Sheep's baby called lamb. Okay. Now next is goat, young one, kid. Mare, young one, goat. Okay. Now move to open your book, I Can Beginner, book 6, and go to page number 27. Here we have an activity, and that is mixed bag animals. Here we have to circle those animals which are mismatched. Like, look at the first image. Here we have an image of a goat with her young one. Goat is called kid. Baby goat is called kid. Okay. Now move to second box. Here we have images of pig with lamb. Now circle this image because lamb is baby of sheep, not of pig. Okay. Students, now rest for is your homework. Now students, after that we will revise the rhyme. All MacDonald had a farm. Okay. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here, with a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Now, dear students, in the previous session, we had revised letters from A to W. Let's revise again. A apple, a ant, a airplane. B balloon. B beer. C, letter C, cat, carrot, cow. Next is D drum, D dog, D dove. Now student, next is E. E-A-I, E A egg. E A elephant. Next letter is F. F for fish. F for frog. F for fox. G. G grapes. G grasshopper. G girl. Now students, next letter is G after H. H. H horse. H hare. H house. I. Ice. Ice cream. Iguana. J. Gesture. Jelly. Jellyfish. K. King. Kangaroo. Now next is L. Lamb. Lemon. Lion. M. Mama monkey. Mama mouse. Mama mushroom. Now next is N. Nest. Nun. Nurse. O. Owl. Octopus. Orange. Next letter is P. Parrot. Pig. Potato. Q. Queen. Quail. Next is R. Rose. Rabbit. Raspberry. S. Strawberry. Sun. Snake. Tiger. Turtle. Train. U. Umbrella. Unicorn. Next is V. Vacuum. Violin. Van. Now next is student W. Walrus. Wheel. Wolf. So students, now I have a video for you. In this we will learn a new letter X. So student, letter X song through My Study Gear app.
X was a clinky dinky xylophone. X was a clinky dinky xylophone that I like to play. X was a clinky dinky xylophone that I like to play. Ding dong ding, play all day. Ding dong ding dong, play all day.
So students, now today we are going to revise the letter X. Now we will revise the pronunciation of letter X by checking the following images. Okay, X, xylophone, X, X-ray, X, exynos. Okay, student. Now, students, let's do an activity. Now, I will revise the concept of in and out and near and far. Okay, students. Here we have students. Here this picture tell us the lamb is near to tiger. Here this picture tell us the tiger for to lamb. Here we have tiger which is inside the cage. Here we have picture of lamb which is outside from the cage. Okay, students. Now do an activity. Activity time, students. Let's do an activity. Students, in this activity we need a rolling pins wrapped in bubbles wrap, watercolor and drawing sheet. Students, now dip the rolling pins in the watercolor. Students, now dip the rolling pins in the watercolor. Choose any one color. Okay, and make its imprint of the drawing sheet. With the help of your parents, students, then observe the pattern. I hope you enjoyed by doing this activity. Students, repeated this activity, but that time use different colors. Okay, students. Now we come to an end of this video session, but before ending the video, I would like to recall to all the activities which we have performed today. We start our day with a discuss about birthday things. Then we learnt about animals and their young ones. Okay, students. Then we completed the page number 27 from I Can Beginner book 6, and after that we learned letter X song through my study gear app. After that, student, we clear both concept. The concept is inside and outside, or and second is near and far. Then we had done the practical work. Okay, students. Now in the end we will once again revise both rhymes, and that we will learn and revise in the beginning of the session. First rhyme is happy birthday. Okay, sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear friend. May God bless you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you, my dear friend. Happy long life to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Students, in the second rhyme is all McDonald. Sing with me. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, with a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.